Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course. In this video we are going to be learning the align command right here, and it's a really useful command, so just try it and it's going to speed up your drawing. So I'm going to draw something simple, a rotated rectangular, then I'm going to draw a simple line. Just like that. So I want this rectangular to be aligned with this line. This is the idea of the align command right here. If I click on the icon, he's gonna ask me to select the object. I'm gonna select the rectangular, then press enter. Then he's gonna ask me to specify the first point of the object. I'm gonna select it, then select another point on the source or the object that I want to align the other object with. I'm gonna select this one, then the other point, just like that. Then he's gonna ask you to specify a third point if you want, or you want to proceed and press enter. I'm gonna press enter. He's gonna ask me if I want this rectangular to be at the size of this this line, meaning he's gonna scale it. So if I press yes, he's gonna scale it. If I press no, he's gonna keep it at the regular size. I'm gonna press no, and as you see, the rectangular was aligned with the line. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.